Abdominal etching or 3D lipo contouring of the abdomen is a procedure whereby we can use liposuction in order to enhance the appearance of somebody's abdomen. It is a very popular procedure both in males and females, and it is a procedure that allows us to enhance the appearance of the abdomen by sculpting the areas around the muscles in order to enhance and exaggerate the appearance, just so that the patient can have a more defined abdominal shape and size. There are patients that are excellent candidates for the procedure, and this includes patients that exercise regularly, that they're using abdominal core exercises to improve the size of their six-pack muscles, and those patients that look after their diet. It is also important that patients are non-smokers at the time of the procedure to minimize complications and to improve the results. The procedure itself is also good for those patients that are very close or at their target BMI or weight, because this procedure will work best in those patients that have very little fat that we can remove in order to shape the six-pack muscles. It is not a good procedure for those patients that either have extra fat or extra skin. Those patients will probably require to have another procedure like a tummy tuck procedure or an abdominoplasty in order to remove that excess tissue. It is also not appropriate for a patient that does not have a regular exercise plan, as it is very, very difficult to define or refine the appearance of the six-pack muscles if they're not at a size that will be visible after the liposuction. The best result are probably for those patients that combine liposuction procedure with a skin tightening procedure. This is because we're not just removing the fat from the areas that are needed, but we're also tightening those areas in order to make that appearance a lot more exaggerated to when the patient recovers from the surgery. It is also important that we use ultrasound-assisted liposuction in those areas. That will allow us to remove as much fat as possible in a very short period of time, but also the energy delivered from the ultrasound can improve the tightening in that area and further enhance the result. There are slight differences between male and female abdominal etching procedure, as the definition and the anatomy is different between the two sexes.